So once again, this pipes comes, this is water pump, goes into this pipe aluminum, and then you have a T-fitting over here. So this pipe, so this is the one that we're going to be replacing. And it goes as follows. A little bit tricky, a little bit hectic, but you gotta do what you gotta do. How the hell did I put this in? Take out the clip first, yeah. Okay. Those Volvo engines. So this is the clip. What you gotta do is you pull it out this way. This is what you do. So what you do is so this hose is like this. It's down there. You have to access it from the bottom to remove. What you do is you put a screw in here and you pry that open a little bit. As you can see, it moves away. You do the same thing to the other side, and this whole thing should come out. Okie dokie, perfect. So this is open fitting. Let's do the same thing on the other side. Yeah. Here we go. Okay, now this one comes out. I have to be careful for the other one not to.